Okay, let's talk about common mistakes made by small content creators on YouTube. These are the five most commonly made mistakes on YouTube by small content creators. Trust me, I once upon a time made the same mistake or few when I was starting my YouTube channel. You know what? When we start our YouTube channel, in most cases, we are desperate for growth because we want to grow. We understand that growth also means at some point very soon we are going to start earning money on YouTube. Because let's be honest, the whole point of starting a YouTube channel is either for extra income stream of income, or it's because maybe you are unemployed and this could be your only income stream at the moment while you are still looking for a job, or probably you are a student and this is how you kill time and also earn some money for your grocery. Trust and believe me, I know all about student poverty. I know all about it. And I wish back in the day when I was a student, we had a platform like YouTube where we could sit down, create videos, and make money out of that and have food in our pantries and our wrestles. But that's not the point. So the point here is these are the mistakes that you should avoid as a small content creator on YouTube so that you don't find yourself in trouble with YouTube. Literally, some of these are policies of YouTube that many people, when they start their YouTube channels, they don't seem to read them. I don't understand why you don't read the policies, because this could be your dough. How old am I to use money? Anyways, let's start with the first one. Do not self-promote on other people's channels. What do I mean by that? Don't go into my YouTube video and in the comment section, you ask me to subscribe to your channel. That's not allowed by YouTube community guidelines. You could get a community strike for that. And that could jeopardize your monetization. Whether you are monetized or not monetized, you are not allowed to go into other people's comment section and asking them or harassing people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And also, you're not allowed as a content creator tell another content creator under somebody's video and say, let's follow each other. You're not allowed. It's in the community guideline. It's there. It could get your YouTube channel completely obliterated from the platform, meaning YouTube will send you an email informing you that in the next 7 days your YouTube channel is due or is scheduled for deletion. Why? Because you made that mistake by going into people's video comment section and asking them to subscribe to your channel. It's very important that as a small content creator and you just started on YouTube, grow your channel organically. But the tip that I will give you, though, if you want to grow your YouTube channel out of other people's comment section, the best thing to do is to leave a wholesome comment on your favorite YouTuber who is big. Remember, they already have a community that loves them, that respects them, and also want to hear good things said about them by other people. If you say something nice and wholesome and genuine without asking people to subscribe to your channel, trust and believe me, those people that love your favorite content creator will say, oh wow, this comment is so beautiful, and then they will click on your YouTube DP to see if you have a channel. And if you have a channel, they are going to subscribe. That's just a tip I'm giving you. Instead of asking people directly to subscribe to your channel, don't do it. Don't use words, because already the algorithm has picked up the different ways of asking for when you ask people to subscribe to your channel. Like, let's follow each other, like let's visit each other, like let's see each other on the other. The algorithm knows all those tricks already, and that could get your YouTube channel getting a community strike. Do not do that, please. The second common mistake that small content creators make on YouTube is not engaging with your audience in the comment section. You must remember something. People that watch your videos, you have to have this. I mean, it's common. I don't understand why you don't see it, because views don't just pop from nowhere. These views come from people who use their money to buy data, or they pay a monthly fee with their Wi-Fi to have discovered your channel and discovered your videos, clicked and watched those videos, the littlest courtesy you can do for them is clicking the heart and the like to show that you acknowledge them participating and engaging your video. But I would rather have you commenting back. You don't have to have a conversation with the people that comment under your video. But a small thank you for watching. Please come back again, or whatever the case might be. And excuse me, and also ask, how are you doing? I hope you are well. And leave and go continue to the next comment, etc. and so on. And your comment must not also sound generic. Can your comment be individualized according to the comment? Read the comment so that you are able to answer according to what the comment is saying. Don't use the same line with everybody. You will start sounding like a spam. Even YouTube will flag you for that. Like, is this a real person responding or a robot? Remember, YouTube is very much awake when it comes to robot or fake engagement. Read the comment, what it says, and answer, because sometimes there is a question that you are asked in that comment or something unique that other people have said. Now, if you're going to say, thanks for watching, thanks for watching, thanks for watching, that the algorithm will be like, this is a robot. And then your channel will be scheduled for deletion in 7 days. If you do that and continuously doing that, be careful. The third one is a little bit off YouTube, but it's also about your channel. Do not click on every link that you get in an email. I repeat, do not click on every link that is sent to you via email. That could be a scammer a hacker who wants to take over your YouTube channel. And in most cases, these guys, they wait until you are monetized. And then they'll start sending you a fake brand deal type of situation. And sometimes these brand deals, these emails, they look almost legitimate. Now, the best way of catching them is via their own email addresses. If their email addresses does not make sense to you, do not engage that email any further, because that is somebody who wants to take over your YouTube channel and leave you wondering what happened. And then you go to YouTube be like, well, we don't know and we can't help you. So be careful. Don't click on links. If this particular brand says, click on this link to what, do your due diligence first. Double check and triple check to see if indeed this is coming from a brand. The best way of doing this is also going into the social media marketer or manager on LinkedIn and check if indeed they are the people or the person that has commissioned this email to you. If you write them an email, the email addresses are there, or write them a DM and say, hey, I got this email from you. And is it you who sent it to me? If they say, I have no idea what you're talking about, you have missed the bullet. So be very careful and do your due diligence. However, just because I said that, do your due diligence, do not also miss the genuine and authentic brand collaborations and sponsorships, because some of them will send you an email with a link that you have to click on. In most cases, that will be like agents who work with brands and work with other businesses that want nano influencers like yourselves to work with and things of that nature. So do not miss those opportunities simply because you were suspicious of the email. Again, these links, I would say create a different email address. Send that email to that email address and click the link outside of your email, under that email address they sent that email to you with, so that you check if this is legit. All right. The other thing as well that I want you to do is do not send the email address that is associated with your YouTube channel as your business email. Open a different email address for your business. Well, the best advice is have your own website with your own email address, either at .co.za or either .com or .co.uk or wherever you come from in your respective countries. That way, it's not attached to your YouTube channel, and if anybody tries you, your YouTube channel is still safe. Turning on the two-step verification is also important, but these days hackers, they advance in technology and they are able to hack. All they need is some information about you. Your email address is one of that. Do not leave your phone number, anything like that, in public, so that hackers do not use that to hack your YouTube channel. The fourth one is no man or woman is an island. YouTube is all about community. YouTube even has its own communities, which I'm part of one of them. All right. So don't think that you came to YouTube to be by yourself and do things by yourself. You don't need other YouTubers. Let me tell you something. We will meet somewhere, somehow, at some point because of YouTube. You must always open yourself up to learning. Because when you learn, you improve. You are able to go to your fellow content creators and say, listen, can you review my channel or review my videos and tell me where I'm going wrong? And then they will give you constructive criticism. If you're doing a great job, you will also see it in the reaction and the way they treat you as well. Not only your fellow content creators, but your community. That means your audience also. So do not come onto YouTube and say you are going to figure this out by yourself. You don't need nobody. You are going to get frustrated and you will be one of those 99% of YouTubers that start their channels and do not become successful on the platform. Learn. Always open yourself up to learning, because when you learn and open yourself up to learning, you are going to acquire lots of skills, especially when you are getting constructive criticism from your fellow content creators. So you are no island, you are part of YouTube, and YouTube is building communities, and therefore you are part of the content creation community as long as you are a content creator on YouTube. Number 5, which is the last one, is consistency and frequency. I know, but are they the same? Yeah, they're similar, but they are different in practice. Let's start with consistency. Consistency is where you every single week you show up with your videos, and frequency, it is you who show up every week with the number of videos that you committed to upload on your channel. If you're uploading 2 times a week, that is frequency. If you are uploading 2 times a week, every single week, the entire year, that means you are consistent. Okay, so some small content creators, they will drop a video 2 weeks later. They are nowhere to be found. A month later, they're still nowhere to be found, but they still say, I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. And then they are not consistent or frequent on their channels, and they expect to grow. Do not be one of those. Consistency and frequency is what will grow your YouTube channel. Showing up every week, as you have said on your trailer, or as you have said in your banner, or as you have said wherever you may have said that I upload so many times a week, then show up that many times a week. That's being consistent. And also your frequency is exactly what you said. If you're uploading twice a week, upload twice a week. If it's 3 times a week, then it's 3 times a week. It has to be 3 times a week. You can't say, I upload 3 times a week, but you only upload once a week. You are not being consistent and frequent when you are doing so. So many new content creators, especially the small ones, their mistake is exactly that. They will say one thing, but do the other and expect to grow on YouTube. You cannot grow on YouTube by being inconsistent and also not frequent with your uploads. Uploads will what grows your channel.